We have all been there. You watch a couple of videos on YouTube and feel like we can become the best trader on Wall Street. But then you try some of those strategies and see that all your money has disappeared. So today I'm going to show you some of my own personal price action secrets that you can spot in live markets and use to them predict if a price is going to go up or down. The first trading pattern we will look at is one of the most common patterns you can spot. The double top. The double top pattern is created when the price takes resistance at one point and the price moves back up to the same resistance line. This line is called the supply zone. This is the point where the buyers in the market lost momentum and couldn't beat the sellers. That is why the price went back down the last time. So we wait till the price shows some sort of bearish signal. Once we spot a bearish signal, we can enter the trade. We set our stop losses just above the supply zone and our targets at the previous support level. The second pattern we're going to look at is also a very common pattern that we see almost every time. The double bottom. The double bottom pattern is created when the price takes support at one point and the price comes back down to the same point. This is called the demand zone. In this zone, the sellers of the market lost momentum and the buyers took over. So the price jumped back up after hitting this zone. Here we can wait for a bullish signal and enter the trade. We set our stop losses just below the demand zone and our target at the previous resistance level. And just like that, you just made yourself a ton of cash. Being able to pair these price action secrets with correct indicators is a magic strategy. I'm going to be uploading another video dedicated to Zhu indicators. If you don't want to miss out on that, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.